everybody, I hope you enjoyed that sequence just showcasing the new DJI OSMO Mobile 3. I've been testing it out for the last couple of days. Overall, pretty impressed with what this thing can do, and the fact that you can now use one of the moment wide lenses without using any counterweight, color counterbalance or anything like that, just using the normal adjustment. Still rotates perfectly fine, so you can use a portrait, you can use a landscape, and it all works quite well. As for the functions, we do have the slider on the left hand side here for zooming in and out. We have the control joystick for panning, tilting as well. All works really well, still with the moment lens, and of course without. Record button, tap once, starts to record. Now with the M button here, you can tap that twice. It will change from landscape to portrait, still works really well. And then back again, if you press that once, it changes between the photo and video modes. And if you press that 3 times, it will go into a standby mode so that you're not using all that battery. Now, the tracking on this new gimbal works fantastic. Really well. Really solid tracking. Whether you want to use this to sit it on a tripod, record yourself, it'll work really well. Or if you just want to keep someone else in frame, that works really well as well. I'd like to show you some footage, but not able to transfer anything across from my iPhone at the moment, unfortunately. Now, another one of the problems that I noticed was the fact that to actually get it to balance with a moment lens without any counterweight, it actually almost pushes in the power button and the volume slider on the other side. So depending on what phone you're using, it could be an issue.